Hi, today I'm for review OnePlus Nord CE Lite and I'll show you how to scan QR codes without a device help. So first we should open the control panel and find here QR code icon. Just tap on this icon, then click here, tap the open camera, allow using the app always. Now we should place our QR codes inside of this frame, so let's try to do that. Okay. So wait a second, and now we could see here this link, so we could go directly to the website, copy this link and to share with someone. So let's go directly to the website. So this is the Wikipedia article. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.